How? This is Samriddhi and स्वागत है आपका मेरे YouTube channel पर. First of all, thank you so much for your amazing response on my first video. That was my channel trailer. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. It's amazing. Link is below in the description. And if you like my content, please make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the packing list for the people who are going to China for more than 5 months. Because I'm making this video because I really wish someone could have made it for me, because I really struggled with a lot of things. I didn't know what to take to China and what not to take to China. So I'm gonna share my experiences that I have felt during my 1.5 year of journey in China. There are things which you should take to China, and there are things you can avoid and you can get it in China, and we just don't know about it. So also at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a little tip on how you can take 61 kg worth of luggage from India to China and also save money on flights. So stay tuned. Okay, so our first category is basically toiletry, electronics and clothes. First of all, I want to talk about clothes. So before packing clothes, just make sure you see the weather of the place you're going, because China is a big country, and if you go to North China, weather is pretty different from what you will see in South China. And yeah, and if you're going to any other part of the country, just see the weather, how it's like for a whole year, and then pack your clothes. It's better to pack layers, because the thing is, you go outside, it's cold, you go inside, heater is on, so you will it's so frustrating. You just don't know when to, like, what to wear. So always wear clothes in layers. That is the best advice for surviving the China's weather, because it can get pretty frustrating. So layers. Okay, after clothes, let's come to the electronic part. So for electronics, of course, your cell phone and laptop and chargers and earphones are must to keep. Apart from that, you also should take like a power bank, which is a very necessary thing, and adapter. Adapter is a very necessary requirement. You can get it from Amazon for like 200 or 300 rupees. I have like this 3 adapter, and it works pretty well, because the switchboards, of course, in China and in India, it's not the same, it's different. So make sure you carry adapter. It's very useful. Now coming on to the toiletries, I have first of all for you deodorant. So I think you should carry your own deodorant, maybe 1 or 2, because it's not easily available in China. You'll not find it in like normal supermarkets. If you go to like Walmart or like big supermarkets which are in first tier cities, you can get like double the price, maybe like 400 rupees or 500, but in India, of course, you get it like for 200. So it's better to carry 1 or 2 deos. And apart from that, this is like little typical Indian things that I'm telling you to carry, like a washing brush, because the bristles that you get in China, it's very hard, and if you want to wash some of your clothes by hand, you should carry for yourself. And other thing is mug. You can find a bucket in China, but you will not find a mug in China. I think not even online. I don't know, the concept of mug doesn't exist in China. So make sure, if you think you will be using mugs, so carry it, you know, for what purposes you want to use it. Next thing, you can carry with yourself an umbrella and an iron as well, because if you have clothes which need like iron, I think it would be very beneficial to carry like a small iron. You can carry it very easily. If you have 61 kg luggage, if you can bring that much luggage, and an umbrella, because of course you can buy it in China, but if you have it, why not bring with yourself an umbrella? Because in China, I don't know, rain can happen anytime. It's so unpredictable. The weather here is like super unpredictable. Any day it can rain, any day it can not, and yeah, so so the next thing you should carry is definitely some tissues and sanitizer. Like we have seen in my country, like we have a shower or like a zipper kind of thing, but of course in China you don't find that, so you have to carry tissues whenever you go to washroom. After that, you should carry some traditional clothes from your country, because you would like to represent your country at some point. Like there can be cultural festivals, or there can be something where you require to wear your traditional clothes. For women, a sari would be best option, but I don't know how to wear a sari, so I have like different kind of Indian outfit. So carry your traditional clothes with you for sure. So next thing you should carry is some medicines. So I have carried like the basic medicines for, suppose, pain relief medicine if you get some kind of a ankle, spraining your ankle or something like that. For this is a betadine for my throat. My throat gets really bad very fast, and the weather keeps changing here very fast, so make sure you carry something. Band-aids and crocin if you get like fever or something, and for stomach because you're in a new country, you eat something and you can get stomach problems, so carry your meds. Next thing, especially for women, if you're a woman and coming to China, these things are for you. So I don't know, I am carrying my own sunscreen and face wash because I couldn't get something which will suit my skin over here, and here like acnes are very common, hair fall is very common, so I think you should carry your own stuff. For hair fall as well, I have carried like my own shampoo. And the next thing is the sanitary napkin. Carry your sanitary napkin because the sanitary napkin you get in China is smaller in size, I would say. Even the biggest size is little like small for Indian women, so carry. And next thing is you will not find a lot of salons which provide the services of like waxing upper lips and threading, and I need it like in every 15-20 days, so carry like weed and trimmer. I guess this two will work. And then next thing is, if you wear kajal or eyeliner, carry with you. You will not, kajal definitely you will not find in China. I mean, Chinese people don't wear kajal. Eyeliner you can find it, but yeah, carry your own. Even I would say for cosmetics also, carry your own foundation if you apply, because if you have a brownish wheatish skin, you will not find the products which will be compatible to your skin, because Chinese people's skin is very different from our skin. So that is for my dear women. And next thing that I think you should carry is like little gifts from India that you can give it to your foreign friends or teachers at some kind of occasions. It's really nice to give you something which belongs to your own country. It can be anything. I have like actually bought some like specialty in India mouth freshener thing. I feel like you won't find it everywhere. I think you should carry some of your like pictures as well, like family photos. I think it's pretty nice to like always see your friends and family on wall. Like I have like a wall over here. I don't know, I can make you see, I think. It's over there. So it's all the pictures of my favorite people in the world, I would say. So I think it's a really good thing, so I bring some photos. And I think I would also recommend, if you have like a size which is more than 8 for women and 10 for men, carry your own shoes. Because you will not find the sizes more than 10 for men and 8 for women. Okay, so I'm done here with the toiletry, clothes and electronics. Now I'm moving to the food section. Yes. So before packing the food, first check with your university that if you have a kitchen where you can cook or not, because it's very important. In my university I can cook, so I have brought along a lot of things with me which I'm gonna show you, but in some universities you can't cook. So make sure you first see like in where if you can cook or not, because if you can't cook, it's of no use. So I'm gonna first tell you the things to eat that you should bring along in China, and then I'm gonna cover the utensil part of it as well. So first of all, you should bring ghee. I don't know, I've bought my own ghee because if you want to make dal or if you want to make roti, ghee kafi kaam aayega. Then next thing is your spices, and with the spice is the spice box like this. And after spice box and spices, you pickle is very useful. If you just make roti, you can just eat it with pickle. And along with that, some aloo bhujia. Like I love aloo bhujia, so I've carried along with me one packet. Of course it's gonna finish, but at least it will last one semester, I would say. Next thing, I would say carry at least 3-4 packets of Maggi. I love Maggi, and I don't know, it can be a great breakfast for you on weekends. Apart from Maggi, I have carried like Maggi packets as well, like Maggi Magic Masala, because sometimes the food in China is very bland. For example, like sometimes you get noodles which are very bland. You can mix some Maggi masala, or if you make egg bhurji, you can add Maggi masala to it. It becomes really yummy. Next thing I have carried is chai and coffee. I love my Indian tea and Indian Nescafe coffee. You don't get it in China. The kind of coffee that you get in China is basically, it's mixed with milk already. So if you want to have just this, get it from India. Also, you can get it from Walmart, but again double and triple the price, so carry your own. Next thing that I would recommend is some snacks if you want to bring from India. For example, khakra. I bought that. I bought a lot of things which I have already finished now. Then next you will be needing some Indian chocolates. That's a Russian chocolate because I have finished all my Indian chocolates, but I think you should carry some Indian chocolates because you're gonna miss chocolates a lot, because you are not gonna get that kind of flavor in China. China is not a really good place to have chocolates, I would say. Now let's comes to the utensils. First thing, I would recommend to carry a knife. So in China, somehow only the big size knives are available, and even the small size knives are available. I don't know this. I forgot how to say it in English. ये धार नहीं मिलेगी आपको. तो अगर धार वाली चाहिए तो carry a knife with you. And then so if you're allowed to cook in your dormitory, you need to buy induction. So whatever utensils you buy induction friendly. So this is like kadhai. Then I have a pan as well, but I bought it in China as well, so you don't have to carry pan. Also, some people carry their own cooker because the cooker in China is electric cooker are very different. So I didn't carry any cooker. I bought it from China only, so it's up to you. If you want to carry your own cooker from China, or you can buy here as well. Next thing I would recommend is to bring this channi. If you want to make tea, it will be very useful. Then if you're gonna make roti, you will be needing belan and some kitchen cloth, I would say. And then we have some Tupperware dabbas. I don't know, I have kept like a milk powder and atta in this. So whatever you want to keep and how much ever you want to bring, just see for yourself. Next thing, I carried this thing, we call it topia. And this like lid for that, for boiling milk, for making Maggi, for doing any kind of like small stuff, I would say. And then you can carry a little bit of like utensils like plate, of course, and bowl, some spoons. Like I have like fork, spoon. This spoon is a bit bigger. I have like a small spoon as well. Yeah, so I think this is all for food. Also, I'm gonna make a blog on this, and all the things that I have mentioned will be written on the blog as well. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check it as well. Also, apart from these things, I would like to tell you, you should download 2 applications as well before coming to China. One is of course a VPN, because China has a firewall. You can't access to YouTube or anything related to Google. I use NordVPN, NordVPN. You can use that, it's pretty good. And second thing, maps.me. If you don't know any Chinese, maps.me, maps.me, it will help you a lot, because it's like a offline maps in English. So you can figure out a lot of things in China when you first come here. So now my tip about carrying 61 kg of luggage and how you can do it as well. So if you're a student and you get the student visa, that is X1 or X2, you should go to the office of China Southern Airlines, show them your visa. They will provide you 23 kg plus 23 kg luggage, which is 46, and then 15 kg hand in baggage. So you can easily take 61 kg worth of luggage with them if you have a student visa, but you have to go to the office of China Southern Airlines. Same with like when you come to China and you have to book your flight again, you should go to the office and book your tickets so that you can carry again 46 kg of luggage. Also, if you want to carry more things, you can carry like a laptop bag as well, and you can carry like a small sling bag as well. Like I carried at least like 3-4 items. So I hope that this video helped you, and if you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you are seeing, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.